How to swap variables without a third variable in Python. This is a common interview question, and understanding how it works can be very beneficial. First, we import the random module. This module contains functions for generating random numbers. We use the random function from this module to generate two random integers between 0 and 9 inclusive. Next, we print the values of I and j using f-strings. F-strings are a new and convenient way of formatting strings. Then, we perform the swapping of the variables. We start by adding the values of I and j and assigning the result to I. We then assign the value of I minus j to j, effectively storing the original value of I and j. Finally, we assign the value of I minus j to I, effectively storing the original value of j and I. To confirm that the swapping was successful, we print the values of I and j again, using the print function. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this.